Did you know? The complex social structures of elephants. Imagine a vast African savanna where the tall grasses sway in the breeze. In this magnificent landscape, elephants roam in herds. These herds are like big, extended families, and they're the heart of the elephant's social world. Here's the interesting part. The herd is led by a wise and experienced female called the matriarch. She's like the queen bee, making decisions to keep the herd safe and well-fed. Her knowledge is like a treasure trove of survival secrets. Elephants are not just family-focused. They're also great friends. They form strong bonds with other members of the herd. It's like having buddies who've got your back in good times and bad. Elephants are masters of emotion. They express joy, sadness, and even empathy. When one elephant is in distress, the whole herd rushes to comfort them. It's like a support system that never lets you down. But elephants also know how to have fun. The youngsters engage in playful antics like splashing in water and tossing dirt on themselves. It's like they're at a never-ending circus, learning vital skills through play. Elephants have a language all their own, rumbling sounds that can travel great distances. They use these rumbles to communicate with other herds or signal danger. It's like having a secret code that only elephants understand. And there you have it, the complex social structures of elephants. From their tight-knit herds to their deep friendships, elephants are the true champions of teamwork and family bonds.